Let's learn about prepositions or position words. Do you know what is a preposition? Preposition is a word that tells us where a person, an animal, a place, or a thing is. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show position, location, direction, and time in English. Let us look at some usage of these position words. Where is the ball? Yes, the ball is in the box. Here, in tells us where the ball is. So, in is the preposition. Now, where is the ball? Yes, the ball is on the box. Here, on tells us where the ball is. So, on is the preposition. Now, where is the ball? Yes, the ball is under the box. So, under is the preposition. Now, where is the ball? Yes, the ball is next to or beside the box. Here, next to or beside is the preposition. Now, where is the ball? Yes, the ball is between the boxes. Here, between is the preposition. Now, where is the ball? The ball is among the boxes. Here, among is the preposition. Now, where is the ball? The ball is in front of the box. Here, in front of is the preposition. Now, where is the ball? The ball is behind the box. Here, behind is the preposition. Now, where is the ball? The ball is above the box. Here, above is the preposition. Now, where is the ball? The ball is below the box. Here, below is the preposition. Now, where is the ball? The ball is near the box. Near is the preposition. Now, where is the ball? The ball is far from the box. Far is the preposition. Now, match the preposition to the cat's position. The cat is on the box. The cat is under the table. The cat is beside the box. The cat is in front of the box. The cat is between the boxes. The cat is behind the box. Thank you for watching.